Oh, yeah, it's
Okay,
good.
3.4. 3.4, expanding algebraic expressions. Alright, so anytime you see expanding, you gotta think, hey, that is the opposite of distributing. Sorry, it is the same thing as distributing. I was thinking factoring. So let's say it says you have learned how to expand algebraic expression involving integers like 3 times 2 and x, 3 times the quantity 2 and x, 3 times the quantity 2x plus 4. And we expand these using what properties? Like I just said the name of this. Distributive property. Use your little rainbows. 3 times 2x plus 3 times 4 becomes 6x plus 12. Yay, that makes us super happy.
Couldn't you put it?
What?
What's your number?
What?
Never mind.
Okay, but anyways, 6x plus 12. Anyways, top page 154, you can rearrange the bar model into 2 groups, so it says 2x plus 4. And if they're thinking about it in terms of, hey, you've got an x and an x, and
2 and
a 2 and a 2. So hey, split them into 2 groups. This one has an x and a 2. This one has an x and a 2, right?
2. Yes.
So you can think of it as, you can think of factoring that 2 times x plus 2. Because you've got an x and a 2, x and a 2. So it's 2 times, this is x plus 2, x plus 2. So basically saying 2 times x plus 2, which if you use the distributive property, you're going to get 2x plus 4, which is what we had originally. So all this is saying is, hey, you're basically learning to factor. Which factor is just saying, hey, what is the biggest thing these have in common? They both have a 2 in common. Take the 2 take the 2 out, put the 2 out in front, and say, hey, we're adding whatever's inside the middle. It says you can also use the distributive property to expand 1/2 times the quantity 2x plus 4. 1/2 times the quantity 2x plus 4. Well, if we use the distributive property, 1/2 times 2x plus, whoops, plus 1/2 times 4. 1/2 times 2x is regular x. 1/2 plus 4, or sorry, 1/2 times 4 is 2. X plus 2. Again, that's expanding it. So both basically you just have to know how to both how do we expand and how do we distribute. Or sorry, factor. Example 10, expand the expression 1/3 3x plus 15. 1/3 3x plus 15. So they'll show the bar model of that, which has 3 x's, and then you can have 3 groups of 5. But the other way of saying is, hey, we're going to distribute 1/3 times 3x plus 1/3 times 15. Well, this is 3x over 1. Those cancel. This becomes x. Those cancel. 5 over 1. So x plus 5. What we get for each of those. Guided practice 1, 2, and 3. On page 155, I'll give you guys 60 seconds to do those ones.
Can you go back to an example? Yeah, that one.
1, 2, and 3, page 155. Alright, let's start with number 1. What is it? 1/4 times 8x plus 12.
2x.
1/4 times 8x. 1/4 times 12. Yep, 2x plus 3.
3x
Next, not you.
3x plus 2.
What?
3x plus
Yep, next, number 2 is 3x plus 2, and number 3. What do you do? One-fifth times 20, 25 plus 25x plus 15. What do we get? Or what's the next step? What do I get, or what's the next step? Do you know what the next step is? First step was, I use the distributive property, I'm doing multiplication, 1/4 times 8x, 1/4 times 12, and I simplify them. So what's the first step here?
25x times 1/5.
So, distributive property. Okay,
25x
we already used this one, so we gotta use the other one now. 25x only gets linked to 1/5, it doesn't also get linked to something else. So you use 25x once times 1/5, and you use 1/5 twice. Once for 1/5 x, once for 25x, and once for 15.
So 1/5 times 15.
Yeah, 1/5 times 15. And our final answer is what's 25 times 1/5? Yeah, I think 25 over 1. 25 and 5, what goes into both of them? Well, a lot bigger number than 1 goes into both 5 and 25. 2 doesn't go into odd numbers. 3 doesn't go into 5. 4 doesn't go into 5. There's only one other option. 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 25 divided by 5 is 25 divided by 5? 5, 10, 15, 20. That would be 4. One more. Yep. And here, divide by 1. Divide by 5 is 1. Divide by 5 is what?
3.
Yeah, 3. So this, I have 5x left over and 3. That's it. You can turn it off.
Okay.